Good morning, students. Today we will find out the estimation of a door. Now here this is panel door. Here we can divide this door into two parts. One is frame, which is shown in red color, and second is shutter, which is shown in black color. Now the dimension of frame is 100 by 75 millimeter. The extended portion of the frame is called horn, which is 300 millimeter extended on both sides. Now, as far as shutter is concerned, it has been divided into three components: planks, 1, 2, 3 planks having thickness 25 mm, and the top member is called top rail having size 75 by 40 mm. Middle rail same size, and this is lock rail same size, but bottom rail having size 100 by 40. And the vertical member is called stile having size 75 into 42 number of stiles. Now we will do the calculation. First we will calculate frame. Here first horizontal member, horizontal. Now horizontal is equal to this internal dimension 1 meter plus this thickness of the frame. Here we are calculating the total length of this frame, top frame, then 0.075 plus this horn 300. Now we will take both sides 1 and 2, multiply by 2, then this member and bottom member again multiply by 2. The calculation will come 3.5 meter. Now vertical two members. Now internal dimension is 2.10. Here it is inserted into the top member and bottom member. Therefore we will add 0.075, two side multiplied by 2, then we have two members, multiply by two members, one this side and second this side. Total will be 4.5 meter. Now this we have calculated the total length of frame. Total length of frame. It will be this plus this, 8 meter. No, this is all about frame. No, we have discussed, we have find out the total quantity, total length of the frame. Okay. Now we will find out the quantity of shutter. Here first we will take stile. There are two stiles, one stile and second stile. The length of the stile will be 2.10 multiply by 2 number. This will be 4.20 meter. Now horizontal members, top rail, middle, lock rail, Now the calculation will be 1 meter minus both sides 0.075. On both sides multiply by 2. This will be length of one member. Multiply by 3 members, multiply by the size is 40. .75 multiply by 40. The total will be 0.00787 cubic meter. Similarly, for style, we will calculate the quantity in cubic meter. No, it is again 0.075 multiply by 0.040. It will be equal to 0.0126 cubic meter. Now total volume will be equal to this plus this. This will be equal to 0.03 cubic meter. Now next item is planks. We have 3 number of planks. Now we will calculate cubic content of the planks. Length is 1 meter minus 2 times 0.075. This width of this stripe plus this plank will go into the stipe. Therefore, how much? 12 millimeter it will go. 0.012 on both sides multiply by 2. These planks are, this is length of the plank. Now width of the plank, we have total dimension 2.10 minus 1 rail, 2 rail, 3 rail having size 75 millimeter minus 3 0.075. 1 bottom rail, this size is having 100 minus 0.1. This will be the total length divided by 3 because we have 3 planks. Then we will add 2 times 0.012 12 millimeter on both sides we will add, which will be inserted into rail. Now this will come out to be 0.0404 cubic meter. When we will multiply by this 25 millimeter, then this quantity will. Our fourth point is beading. This beading which will be provided at the outside of the frame. At the outside of the frame, and size of the beading will be 25 mm by 12 mm. Now the length of the beading will be one length here, that is 1 plus two sides 0.075 plus this vertical distance. Vertical distance will be 2.10 plus this thickness 75, 0.075. Now we have two vertical members, multiply by 2. This will come out 5.5 meter.
Stop.
Now to find out cubic content, the size is 0.025 and 0.012. The quantity will be come out 0.00165 meter cube. These are the calculation of the different components of door, which consist of frame and shutter. These are the all. Thank you very much.